the 200 tons per day sunflower seed oil pressing production line is shipped to Russia. This production line is equipped with many core independently developed technologies of Huatai. Its PLC intelligent control system covers whole production chain from raw material pretreatment to oil pressing, relying full process automatic control to guarantee oil quality with high efficiency and energy-saving performance. Huatai Group has set up an overseas office and local spare parts warehouse in Russia, building an after-sales support system featuring rapid response, sufficient spare parts, and localized services to safeguard customers' equipment operation. Huatai has delivered complete sets of sunflower seed oil pressing equipment to Russia on many occasions, which reflects the Russian market trust in Huatai's brand strength. For high-end grain and oil equipment, choose Huatai Group.